we will make camping accessories. So let's get started. Firstly, we will make a grill. So let's get started. Things you will need: a cardboard tube like this, coal, a pencil, scissors, 2 circles of cardboard, sticks, wooden sticks, a transparent sellotape, first take the cardboard tube. First we will mark a rectangle with the pencil like this. Cut this rectangle from 3 sides with a scissor. After cutting, you will see that it opens like this. Now we will take 2 cardboard circles that are already white. We will paste them on the 2 ends to close them. So we can do this either by pasting them by glue. You can use Fevikwik or hot glue. We are currently using Fevicol. After pasting, it will look like this. Now we will take thin strips of cardboard and we will paste them in this pattern. So you can see, we will paste it here so it will look like a grill. We will take wooden sticks, 2 wooden sticks of the grill, but it may fall like this. No. You can use a cardboard cuboid like this to stand it. So our grill is ready. Now we will make a tent. For this you will need a cardboard rectangle like this. Now cover it with cloth like this. After this, we will need 2 more rectangle cardboard pieces with the same size as the previous one and a triangle. And now assemble this as this and a triangle at the back. Now like cover it with a cloth piece like this. You can see from the back also. From the front it will remain open. You can see from the front it will open. Now our tent is ready. Now we will make fire. This you will need thin sticks of wooden. We will paste them together with the help of a sellotape like this. In between of them, we will place a pyramid like shape of orange color like this. You can see. We will paste it with the sellotape and it is placed on a circle shaped cap. You can take any bottle cap like this. I have taken a orange cap. You can see. Now it is ready. Now we will make food. For this you will need some thin sticks, wooden sticks like this, as you can see. And you also need an eraser. I am taking a pink eraser here. Now cut it into thin pieces like this. And now take the wooden sticks and assemble them as I am doing. Each rubber piece on the thin wooden stick like this. You can see now our food is ready. You can see. Now we will make a basket for food or for making this type of basket. You can cut it half from the bottom, not half from actually from the bottom, accordingly you need like this cut, and use any thread at your home, and paste it on the basket with the help of the sellotape on both sides. And now your basket is ready. You can decorate it with any color tape. I have decorated it with pink tape.